Hi there. Let's continue with the facial. Last video we did the simple facial rig where we add these eyelids controls and these lips controls with the tool for the the facial eye rigger and lip rigger. So after we did that, we exported this configuration for later use and rebuild, and we saved this on our data. Here we have eyelid, L, right, and the lips with the extension. These three files are JSON files. It's a simple dictionary. We can get it here. So this is the dictionary for the left eye, the right eye, and the lips. So one of the things when we exported this is that we forgot to uncheck this skin compute skin, because we don't want to compute the skin again. We already did this skinning and it's good, and we don't want to lose it every time. So because I don't want to refill all these parameters here and export again, I'm just gonna go here straight to the JSON file and edit one of each lines. And just for the sake of the explanation, I want to go here on the if I go to the here, a populate dictionary. So it's the function or the method that creates this dictionary that we see here. We can see here because here it's just a dictionary. Sorry, it's not a dictionary. It's a list. So it's hard to know which parameter is which one. So we can go here and check it out here. So we see that the compute topo skin is this one, is just after the head joint line edit. So we can see here this is the joint line edit, and this that it's true must be false. We're gonna do the same for this one. And then for the lips, I know it's this one, but we can check the same. Oops, here on the so we check here, populate the dictionary, and you see lip thickness and topological skin is here. That if you're not sure, you can go to the code and you can see compute topological skin is this thing here, the attribute. So yeah, so it's this one here. I mean, you don't need to do that if you don't forget to uncheck this before exporting. But yeah, you can edit, and probably if you don't want to dig on the code to see which one is the right one, you just check this video and you will know it. So it's not a big deal. But yeah, I think it's good to know and to dig a little bit in the code and experiment yourself. So okay, I have this one done. So the next thing is export the skin itself. Good, so we select the face and mGear skin, and we export skin pack, and on our build data skin we use this stem. So basically it's gonna override only the face, but we keep this skin list or skin pack untouched. So okay, that's it for this one. Now I have another file here where I just get rid of everything, clean up, and export only my guide. Okay, so here's it. And well, this guy, it's we can build now, but probably because we just exported the skin, it's gonna fail the skinning because we didn't add the custom step to rebuild the eyelids setup. So if we import this skin pack now, this one here, it's gonna try to search for these joints that are created on the simple facial, and it's gonna fail. By the way, I did save a copy of this because in later videos we will do another system that will reuse the old skinning. But for the moment, just keep this in mind so you don't need to worry too much. Okay, so let's create a new custom step. So we go to our folder. This is post custom step. So I'm just gonna call this simple facial. Okay, it's a new one, and it's here. And you guess what? The skin pack now it's in the wrong order. So probably you want to create this higher here. So we have the build of the rig first of the facial, and then we import the skin pack. For the import shapes, as far as goes, I think it's, well, you can put it here, it doesn't matter too much, but but I think it's at the end it's the best. So okay, let's place. Okay, so we have the gimmick, simple facial, skin pack, and import shapes. Okay, cool. So let's edit this thing. So we have it here, so it's nothing there. Just gonna make the text a bit bigger. Whoa, my alarm, sorry. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Where I was, oh yeah. So we have a convenient function here called eyes from file, and it's at the end here, lips from file. Okay, so we have the file and we have a function that creates again the lips from this file. Okay, cool. So this is all I need. So what I need to do first is to import. So mGear.maya.rigwitz import a rigger and lips rigger. So we import first or two models, and we can now access to the file. So, sorry, to the function. So lips rigger and lips from file, like this. And we need to put the path here. So the path is for the lips, it's this file here. And if you right click here by default in Windows, I'm in Windows 10, you cannot copy the path. But if you do Control Shift, this is a little trick, or I don't know, it's a shortcut. So you can copy as a path. You see this is now just with Control Shift right click. So I can copy there. And because this use backslash and it's escape, like escape a character for strings in Python. So we're gonna use this R in front of this, that it's mean is row string. So this will avoid to escape. If you don't want to put the R, you need to put the double escapes or change to back forward slash. Okay, so that's for the lips. And now the by the way, the eye, it's irigger dot eyes from file. And let me check this because yeah, it's plural here, eyes. That's another inconsistency there, but okay. Okay, so Control Shift, copy as path, copy. Now duplicate this line and change for right because the same. I mean, it's exactly the same. So that's it. We have our simple facial. We did export our skinning. We did uncheck the build again, the topology, automatic topology skinning thing. And yeah, that's it. So let me save a version here. Okay. And let's try to build. So hopefully this is not gonna fail. And it's gonna take a few seconds. So let's see. Okay, now it's creating the joins and importing skin. Okay, so 21 seconds, and we have our rig back with the facial or the simple facial. So let me select, oops, apologies there. So we have this, it's working, and we have this back. We did forget, or I did forget to include the eyelashes. So no big problem. We will add it later, but for the rest, it's working. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope it's not too boring, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.